Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training, Cross-Arm Chi Sao, utilizing the Lop Sao and taking counters to it. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So for me, the first one you should all be very familiar with. I'm going to step down, find the elbow, bring it across, lop and punch, check and punch, right? So just coming through here from Chi Sao, lop and punch, check and punch. You know, Chi Sao just got you to a point of contact. If he throws a punch at me, here's my lop and punch and then my Pak and punch. We're just starting from Chi Sao, nice and simple. Come in, lop, step off. Don't do what a lot of people do. Don't pull this arm down because he's going to punch you in the face. This is a door. Close the door. You want to make it sure he cannot reach through to hit you. All right, so again, for me, just come in and lop. I don't care if you go to the body and then check the head or you double tap the head. Either one's okay. Now, I want you to come from pre-contact. I want you to face. I want you to come in and pull this across, right? Just come right in and pull it across. Half step in, pull it across. Cat's got his hand up, pull it across, all right? Just come in straight across. But please don't pull this down, because then he's going to throw that shot at you. You can interrupt it. It's not a problem. But you want to come in here, just pull it right across. 1 and 2. All right? So pre-contact offensive, pull it right across and turn them. Okay? Okay. Everybody. So now, if you're not up to it, it's no big deal. Back to Chi Sao. He's just going to lop and punch. So we know it's a straight punch. I want you to step back into Bong Sao. Nice and simple. Just for this, don't hold on yet because we'll deal with the hold on, okay? Yeah, and then we're just going to clear and hit. So from cross arm, he clears. I step back, Bong Sao, and I hit. So again, come back here, Bong Sao, and I hit. Bong Sao, and I hit. Okay? You're okay with that? All right, go to the next one that we're going to do. So he's going to come in with a lot of punch. You're going to Pak and Gan, right? Jut Chun, and hit. Comes through, Pak Gan, I turn and I face it, Jut Chun, and hit. Okay? And in. Everybody okay? Yes, sir. Yeah, it's going to be the same thing. Slow. When he's going to lop, what I want you to do is just turn this into a Yun Sao, right? So I'm going to come around, Gan, Yun, and go back in. All right? Comes over, in, and there's your shot, okay? You guys can stick with the other one. It's no big deal. Pak Gan, Yun Sao, and strike. All right, one more time. Pak Gan, Yun Sao, and strike. All right, go. Play with that.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.